guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with another video, and today we are going to be doing a DIY of how I decorate my room. I kind of want to show this picture. I had some inspiration and I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I think it's a great time to do it because I want to make some changes in my room, make it aesthetic. Because I did have that glam gray look before, but I kind of changed a little bit. But recently I had posted a vlog that I had got a new bed, so if you guys haven't seen that vlog, check that out. I will put the link down in the description or put it up here for you guys to click on it. Okay, so let me see if I can find it here. Oh, by the way, I did my hair. It's really cute. I did like a lighter color. I went a little blonde. Super cute. But yeah, I wanted to make some changes in my rooms, and I think it's a great time to do it. And I'm trying to find the picture to kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the picture here, like right here. I kind of want to go with this style here. Let me see if I can tell you. Like this right here. It's hard to see, but and then I wanted to do something like, this is pretty too with the ceiling lights. That's actually cute. I should try that, but I don't know. But it's kind of similar to that. But I kind of specifically wanted to look like this. Like you see the vine here and then the lights coming down. And I want to put it right here. Like maybe right here. Just to add some lighting by my bed. So like, you know, if I don't like my lamp on, I can just turn my twinkling lights on just to make it more like relaxing. But yeah. And then I want to show a little haul I got. I went to Walmart. I got this candle. Really cute. It smells so good. It's the Country Holiday Highly Fragrance Winter Berries Snowdrop Petals Cypress. So this is like a holiday smell, but I just love the pine cone. Here it just looks very festive, very fall. And it's like holiday like, so I can't wait to light this. And then I also got this plant here. Super cute. And then I have this plant here. I'm probably going to put it up here in the desk, replace those flowers, and use this. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm just going to change some stuff around. And then I got, I think these are lights. These are the lights. Curtain lights. And then I got the plants right here. So we're going to go ahead and assemble everything and get started. This video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please do so, and click that notification bell. You get notified every time I post videos. And comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the this DIY, and let me know if you guys have tried it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.